Hello friends, I am Archana and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel where you learn various concepts of maths through activities. So today's activity is for the topic common multiples. For this you require paper like this having grids with numbers. Here I have taken the numbers from 1 to 70. You can take till 100 also. So today let's see finding the common multiples of 5 and 6. So for this you need only some sketch pens.
Now we write the table of 5 for our reference.
50. You can still continue the table of 5.
Next we write multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are nothing but the table of 6.
You can continue because you know multiples are never ending. Now what we have to do is in this grid, these tables we have written for your knowledge that what is the multiple of 5 and what are the multiples of 6. Now we take the same color, say pink color, for multiples of 5. So we count. If you don't know the table of 5, then also you can do this activity. So simply counting, you know the multiples are nothing but it is tables of 5, and tables of 5 is repeated addition of 5, right? So we start with first number is 5 ones are 5. Circle this again 1 2 3 4 5. You keep circling every fifth number and you will see that some pattern like this is formed. 5 tens are 50. You can continue 5 11s are 55 and 5 12s are 60, 5 13s are 65 and 5 14s are 70. So we have circled all the multiples of 5. Now we take the different color, say green color, for multiples of 6. Okay, so we will circle all the multiples of 6. That is, every sixth number of in the grid should be colored green. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 16. Right. Now after doing this, you can see which, because we are talking about common multiples, right? So we will see the numbers which are having both the colors, right? So if you see here, these all numbers are having only single color. This number having both the colors, right? That is pink and green both. Okay, and then after this, so which is the other number which is having both the colors? That is 60, right? So the common multiples of these two are, therefore common multiple of 30, 60 and so on. So if you see carefully, is if you know the first common multiple, out of this you can see the first common multiple is 30 and the second common multiple is 60. So if you know the first common multiple of these two numbers, then you can always find the second number. In fact, it is table of 30 itself. So first common multiple is 30, second common multiple is 30 into 2, that is 60, and third common multiple is 30 into 3, that is 90. You can extend this if you this, and you can see that if you have 100, you can see the third number will be 90. Third common multiple will be 90. Okay. Now let's see for 3 numbers. Suppose you have to find common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. Let me take 3 here. We see what is the common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. So I write table of 3. So now what is our next job is, let's color every third number. continue like this, you will see that the common multiples of 5, 6 and 3 are 30, 60 and 90. Furthermore, if you see out of these common multiples, the smallest one is 30. So we also say that LCM of the least common multiple of these three numbers is 30. That's it, friends. I hope you like this activity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button and share your valuable comments in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel because I keep making such videos for you. Thank you.